Introduction. Preeti, how much did you score in the final exams?
I scored 400 marks out of a total of 500. How did you fare, Vinay?
I fared better than you. I scored 320 marks out of a total of 400.
Why do you say that your performance was better than mine, Vinay?
Simple, Preeti. My score is 80 less than the total, whereas yours is 100 less than the total. Isn't it quite obvious that I am better at academics than you?
Your comparison is incorrect, Vinay. In fact, I proved a better student because I secured a bigger score in the final exams.
In this lesson, you will learn to compare quantities. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to compare quantities using ratio, proportion, and unitary method. Define percentage. Express numbers, fractions, decimals, and ratios as percentage. Convert percentages to numbers, fractions, decimals, and ratios. Use the concept of percentage to compute increase or decrease percent, profit or loss percent, and simple interest. Comparison of quantities. Apple in a basket, weights of students, marks scored in exams, heights of towers, etc. are all examples of quantities. Quantities are compared with the help of ratio, proportion, and unitary method. Let us look at these methods of comparison one by one. Ratio. Mridul has a mobile with a 5-megapixel camera, whereas Bharti has a mobile that has a 3-megapixel camera. Let us compare the cameras of the two mobiles with the help of ratio. We express the ratio of the megapixels as 5:3. It means that Mridul's camera is 5 by 3 times superior to Bharti's camera. It also means that Bharti's camera is 3 by 5 times inferior to Mridul's camera. Proportion. Earlier in this lesson, we heard Preeti and Vinay argue that their respective performances in the final exam were better. Let us sort their argument out with the help of proportion. Let us express the two total scores in the form of a ratio as 400:500. Now let us express the scores of Vinay and Preeti in the form of ratio as 320:400. Reducing them to their lowest terms, we get 400:500 is equal to 400 divided by 500, which is 4 divided by 5. 320:400 is equal to 320 divided by 400, which equals 4 divided by 5. It means the two ratios are in proportion. Therefore, both Preeti and Vinay were wrong. Both of them fared equally well in their final exams. Unitary method. Ranbir and Satbir are excellent football players. At the last international match, Ranbir scored 3 goals in 60 minutes, while Satbir scored 2 goals in 30 minutes. Who was fast at scoring goals? Let us solve the question with the help of unitary method. Time taken by Ranbir to score 3 goals is equal to 60 minutes. Time taken by Ranbir to score 1 goal is equal to 60 divided by 3, which equals 20 minutes. Time taken by Satbir to score 2 goals is equal to 30 minutes. Time taken by Satbir to score 1 goal is equal to 30 upon 2, which equals 15 minutes. Therefore, Satbir was fast at scoring goals.